You know our vice president wants to ban the word 6'7" because this 5-year-old wouldn't stop saying it.
Alright, Riley, say something in your microphone.
AC out of my clip, it was really bad. It was so choppy and y'all sounded like robots. I'm like, okay.
Alright. Hey.
Jay.
Or you can put it down there. I can have it follow.
It's a really wide shot.
You have to go all the way.
They don't like me, I mean trap. Trap. Let me in, please! Hey! Hey!
What we could do, Mark? You know what the dramatic like fatal way would be with like they're on the ground and just kind of like yeah, that's why I'm like if it's on the floor I can do that. I mean it would make it if you're on the floor, right? You're standing and all of a sudden you're on the floor. It's kind of funny. It's also not right. So we're not gonna do that. Yeah, I'm gonna talk it. I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna talk like that. Oh shit. You remember when I had to fall in that situation? Alright. One, two, go, Beatles. Say something in your microphone.